Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's the second episode of making Minecraft plugin. So I've already made a episode on this to on like the it's for installation and setup. So if you want to watch it, I'll link it in the description below, and then I'll give a card up right here. So I'll give you a quick recap of what we have done. We have made a Java project, and then we have installed the ID. First we have installed the IDEs, of course, and then we have made a Java project, and then we have made some package, one package, and then we have made the main class in that. So in that, what we are going to do is public class main extends. So this is for importing the Spigot tool. Public main class extends Java plugin. Oh, oops, sorry. Java plugin. So yeah, so I'm gonna give you a small shortcut right now. So if you're in a situation where you don't know what to import, then if you're using Eclipse, which I suppose you are, so the shortcut is to Control Shift O to import with what all are needed on the screen. So Eclipse is going to do that for you, and then after that, what we are going to do is override override public void on enable. So what this does, what override does is that it basically it's like a safety feature which it's like a safety feature which gives you what it's like a safety feature that it's gonna tell you what kind of error you're doing or what kind of mistake has been done. So after that, what we are going to make is another package. So I don't like my code to be clumsy, so I'm going to make different packages for different kind of things. So I've already made a package naming commands, and then we have made a class in that naming hello commands. So once you're done with that, what we are going to do is public class hello commands implements command executor. So as I've already said, it's going to Control Shift O is the shortcut for that. So and then after that, what we are going to do is first we have to do this private main plugin, and then public so they are giving a error here right now. So it's because we have not imported from our main from our hello world tutorial. So once you have done with that, we are going to public hello commands main, sorry there's no comma here, so main plugin, and then over here what we are going to do is again as I've already told you, the thing at override, we're again going to use that. So there's another option for you to use override. There's another trick control space, which is shows you what it gives you options what your it's like some intelligent AI or something like that, which suggests you what would you like to do next. So once you have the shortcut for that is control space, and then after you do that, we are going to just change this as Eclipse has already done it for us. So sender, and then command sender, and then label. Sorry, no, this is going to be cmd, my bad. Cmd label, and then args. That's it. That's like args, yeah. So after that, what we are going to do is so here we are going to check if the player has permission to send commands. So this is the package to make plugin send commands back to you. So we are going to check if there is permission to check permission, if there is permission to the player to write this kind of command. Okay, so this permission, so which is going to be exclamation mark is something which is not it's like, if you know a Java a little bit, so exclamation mark is something for if not. So if player not sender, if sender is instance of player, which is if he is the player instance of player, then so what we write over here is going to do the thing. So here we are also write return true, which like basically stops the code after that. So what we are going to do in the middle is what is going to happen if the player has the permission to use this type of command. So we are also going to import, like I've already showed you the shortcut. So Control Shift O whenever there is an error on stuff like that. So next what we are going to do is, if the player has permission, then if he has permission, then sender dot send message which is going to be only players are allowed to use this command. So this is what it's going to, the plugin is going to tell if the player does not have the permission. So if he has the permission, so what we are going to do then is so what we are going to do then is, first we are going to first we are going to make a variable for the player, which is I'm going to use p, like you can use anything you want. So player p, so player, you need this thing over here, then space sender, then what is going to happen is, if player p dot, so it's going to give you the proposals like what to use next. So you can see what all you can do. It like you can add potion effects, like there are potion effects in Minecraft, as you know, like slowness, fire resistance, and then drop item, and then check if the player has permission, and then if he has discovered any new recipe, and then if he's falling down, or he has, like, if he wants to keep his inventory or does not want to keep his inventory after he dies, and then yeah, there are many stuff. So what we are going to check, if is whether he has the permission or not. Has permission. Has permission. So we are going to make a permission as hello use, I guess. Hello dot use. Then if we are going to also if he has the permission, then we are going to make the plugin send a message naming, like you can make the plugin send any message. I'm going to make it as p send message. I'm going to do, oh, I have written send a message, I'm sorry. P send message hello there. So if he has permission, this is what is going to happen. So if he does not have permission, we are going to add a return true over here, and we already know what return true does. Return true. So after that, we are going to add a else statement, which basically tells what else is going to happen if the player does not have the permission. So if player does not have the permission, then p dot send message you do not have the permission to send this message. I'm sorry if my typing is slow. This is like the fastest I can write right now. So yeah, this is it. What is going to happen for now? We are going to just add another that. So yeah, now we are going to register the command. So we are going to register it as not there, I'm sorry. We are going to make it here, which is going to be public hello command main plugin. So under that, we are going to do this dot plugin equals plugin, and then plugin dot get command name. I'm gonna make it hello, and then dot set executor. In this instance, we are going to make it as this. So this is literally what you have to do, make a command, and then we are going to go to our main class and then register this command. For that, we are just going to do new hello command this. So this is literally it to write the commands, to write a command in your plugin. So yeah, so I guess this is it for this episode. In the next episode, we are going to do messages like death messages, and then we are going to also check on GUI creations like our crafting tables and then our inventory we are going to like fly commands, and then if it's like we can add potions on then effect, and then we are going to check if he's banned, and then we are going to have really fun. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you actually enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, because I'm putting a lot of effort in this, and then please also consider liking to this video. So see you guys, bye bye.